Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about design pattern in Java, factory pattern. So the factory pattern is a design pattern used in programming to create objects without having to specify the exact class of the object that will be created. This helps in achieving flexibility and scalability in your code. Key concepts: encapsulation. So the creation of objects is hidden from the user. Flexibility. You can easily change the type of objects created without modifying existing code. Scalability. New types of objects can be added with minimal changes to the code base. How it works. Creator class. This is the class that contains a method for creating objects. It usually has an abstract method that subclasses must implement. Product classes. These are the classes of the objects that the factory will create. Factory method. This is the method in the creator class that returns a new instance of a product. Example in Java. Abstract class animal, abstract void sound. Then class cat extends animal, void sound, system.out.println. Then class animal factory, public class main, public static void main, etc. Then benefits of using factory pattern: reduces code duplication, makes it easier to manage and extend code, improves code readability and maintainability. So the factory pattern is a powerful tool for managing object creation in your application, and by using this pattern you can keep your code clean and adaptable to changes. So this was a brief discussion on design pattern, factory pattern. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.